Good morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I'm working on Junk Journal January day 20 and 21, which is tissue and map. I have a map. This is New York right here, so I thought I would use one of those because I'm from New York. Well, I'm really originally from New Jersey, but I live in New York now. I've got some sparkly tissue paper and some green tissue paper, and I think I'm leaning towards green, so I've got to do more than just a map and and tissue paper, though. I've got to come up with something a little more cute for that, you know what I mean? But first, let's try to get New York State. I'm not from New York City. I'm from right about here. This is New York City's down here, and I'm right about here. Albany. I live a couple hours from Albany. So anyways, I was thinking I could put this here and maybe the tissue paper over on the other side. So I'll probably just go ahead and probably cover most of this with the tissue paper. A little bit of right there that's not going to be covered, but that is okay. We'll figure that out. So I'm going to get my glue stick and we'll get busy with this. So I hope you're doing well. We took our son back to college yesterday, and that's always kind of sad for me. I feel like I'm always sad, to be honest. You know, my life's circumstances have just kind of left me sad. So I don't feel like it's an easy fix to be happy. Even though I picked happy to be my word for 2025. I am drinking my hibiscus tea for to lower my cholesterol, and trying to be as healthy as I can be, because I want to live as long as I can and be healthy while I'm alive. Not, you know, I don't want to be unable to do stuff because I'm too sickly, if you know what I mean. Don't cut that up. So anyway, I have thought about trying antidepressants, but the truth of the oh, I put it on the wrong page. Did I? No. Nope. I'm okay. I'm okay. I think I might outline this in green ink. Let me go get some green ink. So I have in the past thought about trying antidepressants, but the truth be told, anytime I take medication, which isn't very often, I always get the bad side effects. And one of the side effects from taking antidepressants can actually be suicidal thoughts. And I'm afraid I would get that bad reaction. So I don't want to take antidepressants. So that's that. I know that for some people they're great, and I'm not saying don't take them. I'm just saying that I don't think it's an option for me, because I don't, like I said, I'm terrified of having a bad side effect. So I'm trying to figure out other ways to battle my depression, and one of them is crafting, doing these collages, working in my memory keeping books. Really does help distract from that. But of course you can't do that 24 hours a day. So we'll put this here, I believe, but we need to come up with some other things. I've got my 2 prompts down, but what else can we put here? I've got some new supplies that my son sent me, and see what I can, got a bunch of stickers. Where are they? I lost my stickers. I've got a bunch of these stickers. I've got 3 drawers full of stickers just like this. Maybe I can, I've got some old tickets and some of them are green, like this one. Oh, red would be okay too, because we've got this red line. It might tie in some of the red actually. Let's do red. I don't have a red one that says the other thing on it. Keep this coupon. Do I have a red one? Yes. Alright. I think I will ink these in brown. So I've got those. What else could I add to this collage? I did have some of these old, well, they're not old. These are labels. I can put one of these labels on there and perhaps a sticker. Should I get a, I think I definitely need a red label. We've got the bigger one. Let's see, what's this one? This one I think is a little bit too big. I don't know though. I'll get it out. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not too big. And then I have some tiny ones. Like this one too would be nice. Let's check those out. I need to put these in a different container because this just split here. I've got a round one. And so if you battle with depression, how do you fight your depression? Let me know in the comments. I'm all ears for new ideas concerning battling depression. So I think this one is too big. I don't like the round one. This one's too small. It's a toss-up between these two. So let's see. I could put that down there for the, maybe for the number. But I haven't been putting numbers on these. So let's see, what can we do? I feel like maybe I don't even need that label. Let's look through these, see if there's any. That's kind of pretty. A fairy. That would be cute too. Oh, here's a mushroom. That would be cute. We can tie in with the red. Alright, that's one that I'm going to use. And let's look in another one of the drawers and see what else we got here. Got all these. Oh, this is one with a lot of clocks. Mushroom. Oh, this is a nice mushroom too. Let's take that out. I don't remember seeing any trains or anything in these. The clocks seem very large to me. Got this and this. Got one more drawer. Oh, no. That's not it. Maybe I only have 2 drawers. I think I did only have 2 drawers. I've also got these little tags that I made. That's kind of cute. Why don't we stick with the mushroom theme? I do have that little tiny mushroom stamp. Maybe that would be cute. Yeah, okay. Little mushroom stamp. Where are you? we go. There it is. Let's see if we can get this to look good. Okay, here, I'm going to put on this. Almost. I think I'm going to get another one and try it again, because I just don't like the way that one came out. Let's see. That one's not straight, but it's darker, so that's good. Alright, we've got that. I feel like I could put something else on there, though. Now I feel like I need something else. I don't have any little tiny stickers, though. These are all really pretty big. Let's get these out of the way. I think maybe, oh, I don't know, maybe a flower or a vine. No, I don't think that's gonna work. For now, we're just gonna ink around the edges, like so. I may be speeding some of this process up. I don't know. I feel like this video is taking a while. Too long. Okay. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. I guess I'll ink. I don't think these are stickers. Inking, that's really not changing the look of it that much. Okay, so we've got that. I also feel like maybe I should have put the mushroom on this and saved this for something else. I do think that's what I'm doing. I think that's just too much, you know? Hopefully this comes out good. Alright, so we got that. And I could just kind of like put the tickets on this side of it so we don't see that it's partially empty. I don't know. I'm not good at placing tons of things. Maybe just one ticket? There's one ticket. Mushroom. Or this one. I kind of actually like this one. So let's put New York kind of in the middle. Maybe I'll put this like this. Ticket. I do kind of like that. So let's get these down. These two are first. This one's first. Hopefully I can get it back exactly the way I want it. But I never do. Boy, it's sunny today for a change, but it is only 2 degrees outside. And Wednesday is going to be in the negatives. So it's chilly. Poor Dobby's feet were frozen when we took him out this morning. And I guess it's okay that that looks upside down. So I feel like I should get him some boots or something, you know? Alright, let's go ahead and do that, like right there. He kept like lifting up his paws like they were starting to freeze. So he won't be going out for very long today. He usually loves to like burrow in the snow and stuff, but I don't think that's going to happen today. And I must make sure that I feed my birds. I feel like I should have inked this in brown. I don't know what possessed me to ink it in green. Maybe because I inked that in green, which I think looks okay in green, but not this. Let's cover up the green. I hope you are all happy, healthy, and safe if I haven't said that already. And also, I want to just thank each and every one of you who are watching this, who have supported my channel. If you've supported my Ko-fi page, that's awesome. Thank you so much for that. I think I'll put this right here. And yeah, we'll do that. So if you haven't already checked out my Ko-fi page, there are some vintage freebies, and I'm going to print some of them out and show them to you guys here on the channel so you can see what they look like soon. So stay tuned for that. I did mention in another video that I had one of the collages, I used a portion of a house plan that was one of my ancestors, and I did find that house plan. So I'm going to put that up in my Ko-fi too. And actually, I think I can, this is not coming out, I can go get that one and show it to you. Whoops, now too much came out. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the house plan that I was telling you about. It's written in pencil. There's something written here with numbers. I'm assuming it's prices of things. It looks like it was a duplex because it has 2 front doors. And then on the back is a letter dated 1871. I cannot really read what it says, but I can see that it says something Philip Reinhardt, and Philip Reinhardt was like my great great uncle or something like that. So my grandmother, my father's mother, Rosina Christina Mumford, was actually Rosina Christina Lorman, and her mother was a Reinhardt. So that's how I'm related to this Reinhardt somehow. But I'm going to have scans of both of these available in my Ko-fi shop, and if you're interested in them, you can have them. I'm going to put them up for free, and I'm also going to put up some more that are not free, but there's a few free up there now already. So I have a lot of ephemera like this from my ancestors. So where was I? Oh, this is where I was. I think, is this a sticker? Okay, that is a sticker, so I'm actually going to ink this up too. And I'm going to just try to get rid of all the white, the bright white. Alright, so that is, I think that looks pretty without the white. Let's get this down. Hopefully it's sticky enough. It is brand new. It doesn't feel super sticky though. It does not feel super sticky. Straight? I'm feeling it to be maybe like this, straight, right here. I'm covering up where it says New York, but I think we can all see that it's New York. And then the Albany area right there is where I live in this area, so it's still showing. And hopefully this doesn't rub off. But anyway, that's my oh, I do write the numbers down. I could have written the numbers down. I think I will still. I'll get my little brown pen. I have a couple of different shades of brown pen. And this was 20 for tissue paper, and 21 for map. So we got 20 and 21 done here. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support and your friendship, and we will see you again tomorrow or the next day. Well, probably the next day for 22, which is repeat. And we really don't have that many more of Junk Journal January. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself after that. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.